back to you. It's easy for you to lay down those kinds of tracks. No one really likes to hear this because it's annoying. But when someone doesn't like you, for sure they're not calibrated to their own inner being. And often, the more on your path to where you want to be you are, the more it annoys those who don't think that they're on their path. So that's part of it. In other words, but what it really comes down to is looking for love in all the wrong places, because even you could know someone who is really a solid citizen, so to speak, who is mostly joyful and mostly playful and mostly well-guided, and they could be in the middle of some new crises that they haven't found their balance about. So they could be emitting a signal that is not in alignment with their inner being, and you could be having some sort of shortage consciousness yourself, and the law of attraction would put you together.